Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find manufacturer in Shopify. So simply to find the manufacturer, what you need to do, just you have to go back and type the find manufacturer for product in Google, and after that I have this website, so simply open it. Just wait for a few seconds. So here you can see there are many lists available here. Just click here and now check the category and next just click here. So here you can see we have some products here. So to find the manufacturer, simply you can visit any products website. So here you can see the option contact supplier available. So simply I will type the email here, and in this way you can find the manufacturer in Shopify. So just simply type the email here and now click on confirm button. So you can easily use the Google search engine to find the manufacturer for your products in Shopify. So this is very easy method. Just you can visit any products website and you can contact the manufacturer. So in this way you can easily find manufacturer for your products in Shopify.